Good noon to one and all. So in this question, uh, it is a hexagonal plane. Its surface inclined 35 degrees to HP. So if the surface is inclined to 35 degrees to HP means we need to start the drawing at top view. So here, what is the twist here is the top view diagram is inclined 65 degrees to VP. So first we need to draw the surface angle, HP angle drawing. With respect to that, you have to draw the four case drawings. Then after fifth case and sixth case drawing with respect to 65 degrees to VP. So now use polygon command and draw the hexagon like this. So here you can indicate as A, B, C, D, E like this. Okay, so for this drawing it is nothing but a case one. So use text command and indicate it as a B, C, D and E, then F. Okay, so like this we have to indicate. Now capital X and capital Y. Okay, so now use line command and draw the projections. So here projections up to xy. Why? Because it's in HP. So while drawing the projection lines, you need to draw the projection line with respect to CF DEAB. Okay, like this. And again, we have to draw the straight line on XY. Don't forget to draw the straight line. Okay, and now use point command for our reference. So indicate with the text. So this is nothing but B in bracket A, and next C in bracket F, and next D in bracket E. So like this we need to indicate the text. So in the answer the letters are different. So don't confuse here. So I just change the letters format. That's it. Okay. So next I'm selecting the text and straight line and that point. So enter base point and click here. So while copying, you need to move the mouse to right side by using the ortho mode. Okay, use ortho mode and move the mouse, then only it will be in the straight way. So next select the same copied content and use rotate command and rotate. This is my base point. So rotate with the HP angle. So HP angle is 35. So give the angle as 35. Okay. And now check whether it is 35 degrees or not. And next draw the projection lines like this with respect to A, E and like this, B, D like this, and next C. Suppose if it is not coinciding, use extend command and draw the extension line. This is the process. And next use polyline A, it is B. So A, B are in same line. Next C and next D, E, F and again A. Okay, and now select this give the thickness. Select this, give the thickness. This is the process for completing the 4 case drawing. So with respect to HP angle. So now indicate the text as a A1, B1, C1, D1, E1, F1. So in the case 1 drawing, why we need to draw the vertical side means, so here it is parallel to VP. Copy this drawing and paste here. So as like the 7A problem, this drawing also we need to copy like this and give the rotation angle. Here, what is the rotation angle formula? 90 minus angle. So in the suppose if the rotation is above xy, it is minus of 90 minus angle. Okay, so that is the formula for compressed drawing rotation. Suppose if it is a line, direct angle for the HP and VP means 360 minus angle. So you have to note down those two differences, line rotation and compressed drawing rotation. So here 90 minus angle, 90 minus 65, it is 25, like this. So now draw the projections with respect to A1, B1 like this. So here don't confuse. So here it looks like both are in same line. Okay, B1 and F1 both are in same line. So zoom the drawing and while drawing the sixth case drawing, zoom the diagram. So then it is having some small gap between F1 and B1 projection. So similarly E1 and C1 also. D1, next C1. Okay. So observe the difference. Don't confuse. Okay. So already A dash B dash projection line is in the XY. So no need to draw it again. So it is A, B and C means so zoom the drawing and select the coincidence line. Okay. So here I done some mistake. So while selecting the points, so you have to zoom the drawing carefully. So why? Because uh, two lines are in the same way, same position. So that's why we have to zoom the drawing and then select the coincidence point. So here, what is the main important thing is, so here the left side lines are nothing but B and C, and right side uh, vertical lines are E and F. Okay, so here it's somewhat a mistake. So again, I am going to start the drawing, sixth case drawing. So here we need to start at A and then coincidence point is left side vertical line is the coincidence line for B, and next C, it is also left side. So zoom the diagram, then you can clearly observe the uh, case. Okay, C is completed and next D. D is it's clear, and next E means it is right side. Okay, and F, zoom the drawing. F is also at right side. F is at middle line, not at top line. So it is at middle line. Zoom the drawing and select the right line. And again go to A. That's okay. So now this is nothing but our sixth case drawing. So while drawing the sixth case diagram, so you need to zoom that projection lines carefully with respect to B1, F1, C1, E1. So then you have to draw the lines. So here I am indicating it as a A2 dash, A3 dash, B2 dash, A2 dash, B2 dash, C2 dash, D2 dash, E2 dash, F2 dash. Okay. So like this you need to indicate and trim the excess portion of this sixth case drawing. So what is the main important thing here? You have to zoom the drawing and draw the compressed drawing. Okay. That is the twist. Okay. So it is C1. Okay. So now the first case, this is the first case drawing. First we need to start the drawing at top view. Why? Because the space angle is with respect to HP. So if it is HP, you have to start the drawing at top view. And next case 2 is the straight line. And next case 3 is the inclined line. Rotate the second case drawing as a third case diagram. And fourth case is the compressed drawing. And you have to rotate with the VP angle as a fifth case. So while giving the fifth case, you have to use 90 minus angle as a rotation angle. Suppose if it is a line rotation, so we have to indicate with the direct angle at for HP. So here for VP means 90 minus angle. That is the process. 90 minus 65, it is 25. So I hope everyone understood this process. Thank you. So in this drawing, don't forget to mention two angles and one side distance for the drawing. Okay. And also indicate different cases, six cases. Okay. So by